Today I am reviewing Intel Core Ultra 9 24-core CPU. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for the pinnacle of desktop performance, the Intel Core Ultra 9 desktop processor 285K is a true game changer. Packed with a whopping 24 cores, 8 performance cores and 16 efficiency cores, and 24 threads, this processor is designed to tackle even the most demanding workloads with ease. Whether you're into gaming, video editing, 3D rendering, or running multiple heavy applications simultaneously, this CPU has the raw power and efficiency to handle it all without breaking a sweat. One of the standout features of the Intel Core Ultra 9 is its performance hybrid architecture. This innovative design integrates 2 core microarchitectures and intelligently distributes workloads to the right cores. The high-performance P-cores handle the heavy lifting, like gaming or complex rendering, while the E-cores focus on background tasks, streaming, or multitasking. The result is not only blazing fast performance but also efficient power usage, keeping your system cooler and quieter than many traditional processors. With an unlocked turbo frequency of up to 5.7 GHz, this CPU provides instantaneous bursts of power whenever you need it. Combined with a 40 MB cache, it ensures that your system can access critical data instantly, minimizing bottlenecks and maximizing workflow efficiency. Intel has also integrated its Turbo Boost Max technology 3.0, which intelligently prioritizes the fastest cores for the most demanding tasks, giving you an extra edge in speed-critical applications. The processor also comes with integrated Intel graphics, which is perfect for users who don't need a dedicated GPU for everyday tasks or who want a backup solution when troubleshooting graphics performance. Plus, it supports PCIe 5.0 and 4.0, giving you future-ready bandwidth for high-speed storage, graphics cards, and peripherals. If you're into advanced memory setups, Intel Optane memory is also supported, further accelerating system responsiveness and file access speeds. Another key aspect of the Core Ultra 9 is its compatibility. Built for Intel 800 series chipset motherboards, it fits seamlessly into modern desktop builds. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or building a new powerhouse from scratch, this CPU ensures that your platform can support the latest technologies and peripherals. It's important to note that the Core Ultra 9 does not include a thermal solution, which gives enthusiasts and builders the freedom to pair it with their preferred cooling system, be it high-end air coolers or liquid cooling solutions, for optimal temperature management under extreme workloads. The processor has a 125-watt power requirement, which balances high-end performance with efficiency, especially considering the 24-core design. With a stellar customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars and ranking among the top 20 computer CPU processors on Amazon, the Intel Core Ultra 9 has proven itself as one of the best choices for professionals, gamers, and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're rendering 4K videos, running complex simulations, or gaming at ultra settings, this processor delivers the speed, efficiency, and reliability that Intel has built its reputation on. In summary, the Intel Core Ultra 9 desktop processor 285K is more than just a CPU, it's a powerhouse design for those who demand the best. Its 24-core, 24-thread design, up to 5.7 GHz speed, hybrid architecture, integrated graphics, and PCIe 5.0 support make it a future-proof investment for anyone serious about desktop performance. If you want a PC to run faster, cooler, and more efficiently, the Core Ultra 9 is the processor that makes it happen, giving you the performance edge you need to stay ahead in work, play, and creativity.